Are you using your Relay bank account, but still feel like you're managing your cash flow the hard way? When I first switched to Relay for my business, I was focused on the basics, checking, no fees, and the easy integrations with my accounting software. But after using it for a while, I realized I was missing out on some incredibly powerful, yet surprisingly hidden, features that fundamentally changed how I manage my money. These aren't just small updates, they're tools that turn a good bank into a full-blown financial management system. I want to share my top 3 secret features of Relay Bank that most users overlook. Moneybag Secret Feature 1, Hyper-Automated Money Movement. The first game changer for me was the next-level automation of money movement, way beyond simple scheduled transfers. The standard feature everyone knows is being able to create up to 20 separate checking accounts. But here's the secret: you can set up auto-transfer rules that move a percentage of every single deposit directly into those specific accounts. My experience: I follow the profit-first methodology, and before this feature, I was manually calculating and moving percentages for taxes, owner's pay, and operating expenses every time a client paid me. It took me 15 minutes of fiddling. Now, I set a rule: 15% to my taxes account, 5% to my profit account. The moment a payment hits my main income account, Relay automatically splits the cash and sends it where it needs to go, instantly. I log in, and the money is already organized. This saves me hours a month and completely automates my budgeting. Credit Card Secret Feature 2, Debit Cards Tied to Specific Accounts. Everyone knows you can get physical and virtual debit cards for your team. The secret is the granular control you have over which account each card draws from. This is crucial for expense management. My experience: I used to manage virtual cards where every expense hit my main operating account, making it a nightmare to track. Now, I have a software subscriptions virtual card that is only linked to my dedicated software checking account. I have another card linked just to my ad spend account. If an employee uses the wrong card, or if an expense hits the wrong budget, it's instantly obvious because it's separated from the start. Better yet, if the dedicated account runs out of funds, the card transaction is declined. It physically prevents me or my team from overspending a specific budget. That's not just tracking expenses, that's enforcing financial discipline. Handshake Secret Feature 3, Granular Role-Based Permissions for Team. This one is less about the money and more about the peace of mind. Most banks let you add a bookkeeper or a partner, but it's often a clunky all-or-nothing access level. Relay's hidden gem is its 7-level role-based permission system. My experience: I needed my bookkeeper to see all transactions and upload receipts, but I absolutely did not want them to be able to initiate a transfer or wire money. With Relay, I assigned them the bookkeeper role. They can see everything they need for reconciliation, but they literally don't have the button to move money. Similarly, I can give a marketing manager access to only their ad spend account and only the ability to view transactions, not the account number or my other business funds. It allows me to securely collaborate with my entire financial team without ever sharing my primary login or giving up control. These 3 features, percentage-based auto-transfers, account-linked debit cards, and granular permissions, are what separate Relay from being just a bank account to being a strategic business cash flow tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.